Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is xy equals 5. This is considered as equation 1. Yz equals 10. This is considered as equation 2. And zx equals 15. This is considered as equation 3. Now we will do this as multiply 1 and 2 and divided by 3. So what will happen? Xy is multiplied by yz and divided by z and x. That means 5 multiplied 10 divided by 15, which implies x and x are cancelled out, z and z are cancelled out. Y square equals 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 10 by 3. Now equation 2 is multiplied by 3 and divided by 1. That means yz is multiplied by zx and divided by xy, means 10 multiply 15 divided by 5. Y and y are cancelled out, x and x are cancelled out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we get z square equals 30. Now again we will do 3 equation multiply by equation 1 and divided by equation 2, which implies zx is multiplied by xy and divided by yz. So z and z are cancelled out, y and y are cancelled out. 15 multiplied by 5 divided by 10, which gives 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we get 15 by 2. So x square is 15 by 2. Now we will write the values here. X square is 15 by 2 and the y square is 10 by 3 and the z square is 30. Now we will apply a formula here for 3 terms. So what is the formula? So we have a formula, that is x plus y plus z whole square equals x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Substitute all the values inside this. So x plus y plus z square equals x square plus y square plus z square. X square is 15 by 2, y square is 10 by 3 and z square is 30 plus 2 into xy is 5 and yz is 10 and zx is 15. That gives us 15 by 2 plus 10 by 3 plus 30, then plus 2, 10 into 10 plus 15 is 25 plus 5 is 30. So 20 into 30 is 60, 60 plus 30 is 90. We get 15 by 2 plus 10 by 3 plus 90. Now we will take the LCM of this. So we get 15 by 2 plus 10 by 3 plus 90 as 15 is multiplied by 3, 2 is multiplied by 3, 10 is multiplied by 2, 3 is multiplied by 2 and 90 is multiplied by 6 and 6 is multiplied by 1. So 45 by 6 plus 20 by 6 plus 540 by 6. Add all of them. 540 plus 20 plus 45. So this will be 4 and 4, 8, 9, 10, 605. We get 605 by 6. So we will write this here. We get 605 by 6. Now we will solve this further because we have to find just the value of x plus y plus z. So take the root on both sides. So root of 605 by 6. Now we will take the LCM of 605. What will happen? So 5 ones are 5, then 5 twos are 10, then 5 ones are 5, 11 ones are 11, and this will be 11, which implies that we have 11 square multiply 5 by 6. So 11 root 5, we get this equals 11 root 5 by root 6. So we will rationalize this, multiply and divide by root 6. So what will happen? We will write this here, that x plus y plus z equals, we have find out by factorization of this, 11 root 5 root 6 by, this will be the root square. So 11 root 30 by 6, this will be the answer. We will write final answer here, that x plus y plus z equals 11 root 30 by 6. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find maximum videos that are related to Olympiad math problems, 600 plus videos. So keep motivated, keep watching. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.